I'm just gonna eat my toast in peace. My cat's in the closet. Get out of the closet, bro. Get out. Come out of the closet, boy. Bro, get out of the closet. Come on, it's gonna kill me. Get out of there. Jeez, that was way harder than it needed to be. You're the butthole, Polly. Now don't, come on. Come on. I have to lead him over with my toast. Come on, you want the toast? You want the toasty? Yeah, you want the toasty. Okay, I got him away from the closet. Delicious. Come on, look at the camera. My cat's so photogenic, bro. Pom pom. Don't mind my knee. No, not for free. No foot pics, not for free. But I look gross, so I'm eating so much to do that. Screw it. They be running, bro. I swear, if you go in front of my camera, I'm actually gonna crash out. Thank you. Hop along. That's the jelly side. There's no difference, bro. Okay, you guys are gonna watch me eat like that. Miss Swag, I know I can never do any mukbangs because I cannot watch me eat. I cannot have people watch me eat. I'm a green screen kid. Y'all remember that one time I dedicated one short into doing a shiny hunt? That was the good old times. That was also like 2024, 2023. I don't know. Oh my gosh, I was spot on. I was about to say I've been recording this for 2 minutes and like 20 something seconds. I was spot on, bro. Oh yeah, also don't mind my voice. I'm on my girls' week, and I'm trying to be quiet since I'm like the only one that's awake. So I'm a big bag. Now I'm gonna be the worst human being on the planet. Hey, not for free. Not for free. For free.